Habibi, come to Filipino. My question is, how would it come over here?
Well, if someone came in boat and just let him.
Fuck.
But it's like, what a way of torturing an animal. Well, maybe if we just
I
leave
think we
a
need to
couple of
move.
meters, he's going to.
Yeah, he's going to eat.
the
Yeah.
water around there.
Because we are too many. One person is enough.
Yep. Oh, okay. First collision. He's like, don't name me, give me food.
yeah. Fuck that, man.
He's like, stop naming me, give me food. Habibi. Yeah. Good morning, nee. Good afternoon. Alrighty, good afternoon, peeps. Today we want to suffer a little bit, so we are gonna do kayaking. We're heading to get like kayaks so that we can go to some islands over here. Oh fuck, yeah, I look like a white guy right now. Beep. But we're going to rent kayaks so that we can, you know, explore some islands. The day today is beautiful. It's sunny, so we gotta put some sunscreen. And we got our borha, we got joktan. I forgot your name, I'm so sorry.
Maria.
Maria, yeah, Maria. So it's gonna be 4 of us, basically, to do it. But let's say hello, we'll come back later. After food, we need food. Oh man. So first thing first, get a kayak. And then, what's up man, how's it going? Left. Okay, left. This way please.
And I hope we find kayaks.
We will. I mean, they're renting over here, right?
Yeah,
Oh shit, so there's a... Hello sir, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
That's good.
Wow,
Should
that's
be
so
fine.
beautiful. And now the rain is coming.
Oh fuck, don't say that. Okay, where's the kayak? Oh, it's over there, the kayak.
You see kayak there?
Yep, right over there, I see the kayaks.
Finally.
Yep.
You're happy?
Oh man. So, getting the kayak first, and then heading to
You can run here.
the island.
Actually,
Oh, we need to get water as well.
it's not like
Too strong.
Okay, we got the kayaks. Okay, we got the kayaks. Guys are here. It's
we can make.
double person and it's 300 each until like the sunset. So what we need to do is like give them the ID and give them the money.
Auntie, I put it in the beach.
But
But no, I cannot.
okay, 1 second. I need to put. Oh yeah. Actually, no, I just need to put my phone. I think. Or phone is okay. It's waterproof.
I will not do it.
You okay? My boy worked out today. Yeah, actually I need to put the change. So
Okay, yeah, I won't close it.
just put your things inside. No problem. Okay, auntie.
You can
Sign
sign your
agreement.
waiver.
There is also diving center here.
On the other side.
On the other side. Okay. Okay. Here you go. And
I think I'm going to leave this. Do you mind? Can I leave this here?
Okay.
Yeah, so that
Yeah.
doesn't.
I'll give your change later.
okay.
I will leave here.
So 400 later.
You guys are
400,
going to
yeah.
buy some water? You should-
Yeah, we need to buy water. We need to buy water.
I can share, but it's not going to be enough for.
Okay. Where can I buy water?
There we have a store.
Where is it? Let me. How much do you think we need? Like 4 bottles?
I mean, I'm with this.
You okay?
I'm okay.
1 bottle for you? So I'll buy 3 bottles. Yeah.
That's it.
Okay, let's buy some water. Hello. Hi. Can I get 3 bottled waters? What?
Which one, sir? Which one?
Cold one, the one natural spring. You have cold ones? Alrighty, we got our water. It's 120 for 3 bottles, and now time to go. Thank you. Salamat. And we pay 600 to the auntie for kayak. So we're good. Alrighty. Okay. Hello. How are you?
Dangerous rivers, and the river is here.
Okay. See you in the kayak. Okay, we ready to go. Okay, put the slippers in there. Like, let's fucking go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You know. So sit over here, right? These are different kayaks though. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's in the bag. Okay. I will fucking sit here with you, sir. Okay. Alrighty. This is not bad.
So it's a race, right?
Yes, sir. Goktan knows how to race. What?
Yeah.
I was like, is it? Even I get confused if it is.
Technique, guys. Like, be smart of it. Come on. Yeah.
Be smart of it. Okay.
If it falls, it's here.
Okay.
First good idea that you have.
Let me know if I'm fucking up, okay? Because you know more than
We
me.
should go like a little bit coordinated, you know. But
Yep.
I mean, there's no.
Okay,
no
so
see.
right first, right and left. Okay.
The catcher, the catcher.
Okay. First collision.
This is gonna be fun, man.
This is gonna be really fun. Alrighty. Okay, which side are we going? Left or right?
Left. This is.
Okay.
I know, I can tell, man.
Okay, now 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, right?
Exactly, man. That's it. Yeah, we can take the jacket out, right?
Yeah, now we can. I hope we can.
It's cool, man.
Yeah, it's a good workout.
Yeah. Definitely like it.
Alrighty, so Borja and Goktan is gonna dive. Alrighty, they're both in the water.
Wow. I love it, man.
Oh, it's so good.
How's it? The good water is good?
Perfect, man.
It's
Keep it
mixed
hot.
with warm and cold.
Oh man, this shit is good. The water is hot.
It's really hot, man. Perfect. Yes, that's a nice plan, right?
Ah, nice. Oh, you took the jacket. Fuck you.
Yeah, I don't want to make effort.
That's smart. Oh, the water must be nice.
Man, it's cold and hot.
Huh?
Like,
Yeah, it's
it's
fucking
like
good.
perfect.
You wanna come here?
I want to take a photo.
Okay. I can take it from my phone if you want, like, you know. Okay.
You have yours?
Yeah. This photo, right? Okay, there we go.
What's my beach photo? to that side?
Okay.
Yeah, I think the other side is better.
Oh fuck. Okay, now this is like better because the air is like a little bit colder over here.
Yeah, yeah, it is.
Yeah, and the waves. Look at that fucking beautiful mountains. Like small beaches. Like, you know, bring some barbecue do over there.
Hey! Yeah,
Yeah.
do you want to go there?
You want to go there?
I mean, I would go there, and if we have time, we can stop there later.
Okay.
If you think so.
I think that's better. Yeah, let's go there. Coming back, go there. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is good shit. Oh man. We are going to that island which is called the Paradise Beach. And so far so good. I have the best person with me. Borja. He's like, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alrighty. We are here. Fuck yeah, we are here. Dude, I saw pineapple for the first time. It's a fucking pineapple. That's a pineapple, right? No. It looks like it's something like a pineapple, but dude,
What was the name? You know the woman? She was a hostage.
look at that.
With the man who was
Shit.
He had the blonde.
There's nobody over here.
She got into her.
Only us. That's how fucking beautiful this place is.
Ah, yeah, I know. With the sun.
Let me fly the drone and show you guys a little bit closer how this island is like. How cool is this island?
Can put on the tree. Yeah, he's scared of human. What did you do to him? Yeah.
For you.
Yeah. Baby Jim. Baby. I know sweet is not good for dogs,
I
but
mean, but here, this is the dog. I have to. Sure. Good man.
I'll feed him.
You need to eat.
Yeah, korkma.
Holy dear.
Oh man, he's
He's
so
fucking
scared.
hungry. Yeah.
Oh, look at his eyes.
No. Olive, man.
Yeah, let's give him his space.
yeah.
Man, that's so wow. Like, look at the vibe that we have here. Man, fuck it. With the GoPro here, the chips, the dog, the kayak. Wow. Phew.
Wow.
Wow, so cool, man. Okay, our friend is recording, the YouTuber. I'm also making the video here. Show me. Wow, man. Wow. This is where we are. Wait. Where the quote is? Okay, now.
Max altitude reached.
Max altitude reached. Wow. So you can come like until us.
I can't go
Come
on.
back here just to show us, or
Oh man.
wow. Yeah, the view is always like cooler from top. Yeah. Man, it's like a video game.
I know, right?
It's amazing. Where are you? No, come back here. Man, that's amazing.
I'm glad I brought my drone.
Man, I wanna get a drone now. Is it still moving? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's so like.
Look at that.
Oh. Well, maybe if we just
Yeah, I think
leave
we
a
need to
couple of
move, yeah.
meters, he's going to.
Yeah, he's going to
get
eat,
the
yeah.
water around there.
Because we are too many. One
Yeah.
person is enough.
Yep.
Anyone want some drinks?
Oh man. He's so thirsty.
And just look at him, like he doesn't have even an inch of fat.
But how would it like come over here? My question is how would it come over here?
Well, if someone came in boat and just let him.
Fuck.
But it's like, what a way of torturing an animal.
Dude, he's so thirsty.
Well, after eating all this chips, maybe that's the reason.
No, you can see, man. I mean, can he drink salt water? I don't know.
Probably they don't like it, but yeah, he's not stupid, so probably.
Yeah.
Well, at least it rains that much. that
Yeah.
He gets to.
He gets
drink
to.
water.
Maybe he's drink the water just to get the chips, you know.
Bro.
Yeah, it's like fuck the water, man. Give me more chips.
Maybe we can take out that pineapple for him. Maybe we can name him Scooby.
Ah, it's cool.
Scooby. Scooby. He's like, don't name me, give me food.
yeah. Fuck that, man.
He's like, stop naming me, give me food. Oh, he's gonna.
This one is the best. Trust me.
Alrighty. I wanted to give a proper introduction of Borja. The reason being is I'm from Pakistan and we have all watched Money Heist, La Casa de Papel, right?
Right, exactly.
And he was working on that series. He has been with all of those actors.
I did, man. I did. Cool experience.
Cool experience.
Yeah, yeah.
Man, I was like, he told me like earlier, I was like, let me shake your hand. We were in the middle of the kayak and I was like, give me your hand. And I was like shaking his hand. I was like, I just want to like take the feeling that I have shake their hand. Professor's hand. But so cool of a guy, like, man, I met him like, in Quran. And since then, we have been like, over here together, everything. And he's extending his stay because of us. We're doing all this thing together, man. This is all what like solo traveling is all about.
Yeah.
You meet people like, little did I know in my life that I'm gonna meet somebody like him. Pakistaniyo. मैंने मिल लिया. No man, this is so fucking good. I was so like the other day you told me, And I was like, I want to ask him more what did he do, and then, you know, like today he told me, like, you know, what he was doing on the series, and I was like, man, that's so fucking cool.
Yeah.
Like, you know, now I have his Instagram. I'm gonna disturb him later. I'm like, yo, like, you know, sneak me in. Marie, how is it? Good? How is it? Good? You happy?
What's up, doggy?
I wish we can take him, man.
No?
Can we take
Coming
you?
with us?
Hey, Krabby. Oh, fuck you. You go inside. Why? Let's go. Wow.
So until he goes out, it can be cool.
I fucking went inside. Fucking lumpia. Alrighty, we have to leave the island because it's gonna rain soon. And apparently my waterproof bag is not waterproof anymore. I'm pretty sure one of the batteries is fucked up, but I'm gonna try to go, like, you know, the hostel, use hair dryer to dry it out and see if that works out, because dude, those batteries are expensive. Alrighty, it's time to leave this beautiful place and go back to the mainland, to the reality. No, actually not the reality. This is not reality. Reality is back in America.
Reality.
Fuck reality right now. Oh, Mackie. Alrighty, it's gonna rain, so I'll see you guys on the main island. Oh, we wanna go to the other island?
We're going to stop in the beach. We're going to stop in the beach, right?
Dude, there is a storm coming. We are in the middle of the foot. We are like, let's take a rest.
Storm coming. A lot of rain.
There's a storm coming. A storm is coming! Oh, it's so fucking good. What do you think is like? How deep would this be? Fuck. Okay. That's deep as fuck.
Maybe, yeah, 20.
Cannot zoom,
You
bro.
need to do a lot of zoom, man.
There is no
because-
zoom in this thing.
because
Come.
I don't see anything.
I cannot see you, bro. Bro. Stop, bro. Bro. Stop it. Stop, you piece of shit. Okay, now go. I can see your back, the beautiful back you have. Oh, wow. I can see the muscle. Wow, beautiful. Goodbye goes to heaven, bad boy goes to Bangkok. See, they're nice, they let them sit over there. Look at that, man, look at that fucking rainbow. It didn't even, I think it's already rained over there, that's why the rainbow is like out. Oh shit, it's a full rainbow. Oh, nice. It's a full-size fucking rainbow, man. You know, that's what's up. That's why you come to fucking Philippines. I should have this energy when I'm starting the vlog. Like, this is like the ending of the vlog, and my energy is like, you know, in seventh sky. Oh man, shit, that's so fucking good. Habibi, come to Filipino. Oh, nice. Okay, we're gonna kayak again. Bye. So I don't know if you guys can see, but there are two rainbows. One and on the right one. I think the one on the right kind of disappeared, but there were like two. Oh no, it is still there. I hope you guys can see. Wait, let me make it in 4K so you guys can see. Unfortunately, unfortunately, my camera is fully submerged in the water, so I cannot like change the resolution. But dude, that shit looks good. Where is your one? Where is your one? Where is your cheers? This is gonna be our cheers that we did it. Yeah! It's okay. It's okay. Oh yeah.
Big burger.
Oh man, triple.
Triple.
Okay, we leave them here.
No.
That's
No.
not my job to bring it
No,
there.
because we have our shirts. Why do we bring?
Sunny, so today I lost the 360's cover. I'm gonna find it, don't worry. I mean, I lost it in the sea, like ocean, so Thank you, Ocean. Keep the Insta360 cover, but on the other hand, this was a fucking good one. And I'm gonna find the cover like, you know, in Manila, or I'm gonna be in Japan next, so I'll find it over there. Fuck. Okay, let's okay.
Yeah, we should.
Okay. I can yeah, carry with you easily. Okay. Oh fuck, this is actually heavy. Let me put my
Pretty heavy, man.
yeah. Okay, let's do it.
Here we can.
Got it. Got it. Ah fuck, we got it. Oh shit. Oh, that was too much workout.
Fuck.
That was too much of a workout. Alrighty. Alrighty. Oh, there's a shirt over there, the shirts. Okay. Okay, who's who? Sorry. Okay, who's who?
Mine is Steve.
This? Okay, I think this is the towel. Habibi.
Hello, yeah, but
Where is Borja? Oh, Borja is over there.
I mean the hostel is just here.
Okay.
What?
The hostel is just over here. Yeah, nice. Oh, Borja, I have your shirt. Yes, please. Your ID, my ID. Oh fuck. Oh fuck, 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 fuck. How tiring. Can I have some water? Please drink some water. Whew. Got the breath.
One Maria.
So,
Ay. Oh.
Yeah. Fuck.
Oh wait, there was something inside, like camera or phone, I don't know.
oh, there was something, yeah.
What was it?
What was it? Oh, yeah, the cream. Yes.
And anything else?
I think that's it. Thank you.
Salamat.
Salamat.
Alaikum.
Walaikum.
Alaikum salamat.
Okay, let's go. Alrighty, peeps. So, this is our day, and we're heading back to the hostel. It's like right over there. So, let us know how did you like it, and we will see you in the guys. We'll see you guys in the next vlog. Fucking, I need to catch a breath. But it was a fucking amazing day. Like super good. Did so much fun. Kayaking for like 3 to 4 hours, and now we are back. Gonna eat some good food, and then see you guys in the next vlog. Take care. Bye bye.